Boost volume. Our volumizing hair shampoo and conditioner set is infused with rose hydrosol to soothe and boost shine for healthy hair strands. Necessary oils. Enjoy its fresh floral fragrance that's color safe and free from sulfates parabens. Hair moisturizing. Our hair shampoo and conditioner set is infused with rose hydrosol to boost shine for healthy-looking hair strands. Enjoy its fabulous floral fragrance that's color-safe and free from sulfate paraben. Hair protection. It's formulated with pro-vitamin B5 to repair hair damage, nourish, and promote strong vibrant hair for men/women. Its unique formula features herbal hair care to repair damaged hair from heat styling, chemical treatments and more. For all hair types, whether your hair is curly, straight, thick, thin, colored or natural, this hydrating routine is perfect for all hair types. Promote hair growth with our shampoo-conditioner duo. Enjoy healthy, thicker hair with each wash. Wow Skin Science Promise. We stand by our hair products and offer a full refund if you experience any issues with your men and women's shampoo and conditioner set. Contact us through the Amazon messaging system and we will be happy to assist you. Sweet almond oil. Almond oil is an emollient, meaning it can fill in gaps in your hair at a cellular level. That makes your hair feel smoother to the touch. Argan oil. Rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamin E. Hydrates hair while moisturizing the scalp to protect hair from everyday damage. Coconut oil. The lauric acid in coconut oil has nourishing properties that are especially prone to soak into the strands of your hair. Coconut oil absorbs into your hair quickly, providing moisture to tame frizz and heal breakage. Top reviews from the United States. Healthy hair. I love the way it smells, feels, especially how my hair looks.